ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning and welcome. Welcome to the national launch of Mass Change.
There was one saying, ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for the country. There will be a lot of projects and stuff like that comes from other countries. They create a layer 1 chain and suddenly you see a project start from Malaysia and goes on.
Generative AI, Web3, blockchain, cybersecurity, these are areas of investments that we are trying to attract.
I would like to also share that MALAYSIA has already invested over 10 million into building the Web3 ecosystem here in Malaysia.
If you want to make blockchains adoptions more accessible and cost-effective for companies and enterprises, we want to help companies to be able to onboard blockchain without additional hiring.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, be a big round of applause. Congratulations.